coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring.
Hey guys, it's Shantae's Way here, and today I will be showing you all how I make my DIY leave-in conditioner. My hair has been so dry and needing a boost, so right now is the perfect time for my DIY. And since I'll be traveling to Brazil in a few months with One Love Travel Club and Ashley, I decided to look up some beneficial Brazilian ingredients that would nourish my hair and make this totally Brazilian theme. So to get started, you're going to need a container to put your DIY leave-in conditioner in. And doesn't have to be glass, I just chose to use glass. Next, you're going to need aloe vera gel. There is a reason why those store-bought conditioners always have aloe vera gel somewhere on the ingredient list. It's absolutely amazing for conditioning the hair. It also works to relieve your hair from dandruff and itchy scalp. It also leaves a nice shine on the hair and nourishes the hair altogether. Aloe vera gel in itself is a great conditioner for the hair. The next ingredient that we'll be using today is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is an absolutely amazing oil and I cannot ever make my DIYs without it. Jojoba oil is great for hair growth, hair loss, hair dandruff. It also contains all the important vitamins and minerals that are required for naturally healthy hair. Next, I'm going to be using Brazilian Buriti fruit oil. This oil is great for hydrating the hair and also leaving a nice, beautiful shine on the hair. It also promotes healthy hair growth. This oil comes from a fruit that is commonly known in central Brazil. And since this oil is naturally anti-inflammatory, it helps with soothing serious scalp conditions, and it also has excellent antioxidant properties. The next oil I'll be using today is Brazil nut oil. This oil is great for hydrating the hair, creating softness in the hair, and also leaving a nice and shiny look. It also encourages hair growth and makes the hair look a lot fuller. Next, you're going to need Copaiba Essential Oil. This oil is made from the resin of the Copaiba tree. This tree is grown in Brazil, and I decided to put in my leave-in because it has amazing anti-inflammatory properties. The next ingredient is Argan Oil. Argan Oil is amazing for hair growth, and it actually is a super light oil, so you don't have to worry about it being oily on the hair. The next ingredient is Rosemary Essential Oil. This is one of my favorite essential oils. It's excellent for promoting hair growth, and it also smells amazing. The next ingredient is vegetable glycerin. This is used in so many conditioners and leave-ins, and I decided to put it into my leave-in. It's widely known for sealing in moisture and also moisturizing the hair. The last ingredient that we'll be using today is Jamaican black castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil is so good for a lot of things dealing with hair, but I use it mostly for hair growth. Okay, so into your jar you're going to add 1 cup of aloe vera gel. Now you can double the recipe if your hair is longer or if you want to just have a lot more than I'm using. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Brazilian nut oil. Next, I'm going to add 1 full dropper of Buriti Oil. And then I'm going to add 1 full dropper of Argan Oil, 1/8 teaspoon of Copaiba Oil, then 1 tablespoon of Jamaican black castor oil, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, 18 drops of Rosemary Essential Oil, and off camera I added in 2 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin. Once you're done mixing all your oils, go ahead and give it a nice mix or a shake. A shake is better. And then go ahead and put it into the refrigerator for about 3 hours. I actually left mine in for a whole entire day. You should get this nice goopy consistency, but it should also be like a liquid once you rub it between your hands. Very weird consistency. So this is my hair all washed and it's kind of dried out, but I don't have any product in it because I want you guys to see exactly how this leave-in works. Now I'm going to go ahead and split my hair into 4 sections to prepare to put my leave-in on to the sections.
You go without telling you this now. I wanna see you again. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me.
Okay, so I took this out of the refrigerator the next day and it's still the same consistency, just a little more goopier. But I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the subsection. And when I'm applying this leave-in conditioner to my sections, I make sure that I actually coat all the strands of my hair, because I don't want it to be frizzy, especially since I don't have any other product in my hair. Now, if you're using this, then you can use a cream or just follow up exactly as you would with a regular store-bought conditioner. But I just wanted you guys to see exactly how it works on my hair without any other product to help. Okay, so the key to using a leave-in conditioner all by itself is to make sure that you really form your curls by scrunching, using your dimming brush, and just making sure that you apply the product all over your hair, like not missing any hair strands, so that when you wake up tomorrow your hair is not super frizzy. I normally don't use leave-in as the only product in my hair, but like I said, I want you guys to see exactly how it works for me. Okay, so the process of raking and smoothing the product through the hair is very important. Also, you're wanting to make sure that you put the leave-in at the ends of your hair, especially if you are trying to do the method I'm using, which is just using the leave-in by itself. As you can see, defining your curls with this product is super important. So this is all you're going to do to the entirety of your hair, and just make sure that you use a lot of the product, just because you don't want to get your hair dry and then find a lot of frizzy spots. The spots that are frizzy while wet are going to be the spots that's going to be frizzy while dry. So if you find any frizziness through your hair, go ahead and address it at that moment, so that when you actually get your hair dry, it won't be, you know, frizzy looking. So now I'm just going over the process of making sure my curls are nice and separated so that they can form their curls nice and uniform. And I'm just scrunching, and I just went ahead and put a little bit more leave-in conditioner on the ends of my hair. And this is what I'm working with so far. It's so moisturized and shiny already. So I'm taking a little bit more of the leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to put it on the entirety of my hair. So I did go ahead and use the whole entire container on my hair. So this is my hair all dry. It did air dry overnight. The curls turned out so perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're going to try this DIY down in the comment section. And also, don't forget to check out Ashley's channel. She is doing a collab with me. So her video is also down in the description box. And if you want to join me and Ashley in Brazil, don't hesitate to go ahead and click the link down in the description box, because there is a few spots still available, and I would love for you guys to come. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video, and thanks so much for watching.